to the contractors.
Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee Chief Vincent Pala has expressed party's disappointment over the inability of the state and the central government to resume scientific mining in the state. Speaking to the media, Vincent Pala said that if not scientific, at least regulated mining can be started, but both the state as well as the central government are not starting scientific mining since the illegal mining in the state would be impacted with the resumption of legal coal mining.
Very sad to see that neither the BJP nor the NPP are ready to resume the mining. If they cannot do a scientific mining also, they can always do a regulated mining. So nobody wants to regulate it because if they do regulations, if they do scientific mining, then that will stop, their ATM will stop. So these illegal are the ATMs for the election, the ATMs for everything which for the business. So I think they are not interested in doing so because the economy will stop.
NPP legislator